In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your schoolwork in Notion with a dashboard, master calendar, and course pages. We'll build a simple, reliable system that keeps everything in one place so you can see deadlines, plan your week, and manage each course without digging through different apps. Start by creating a brand new page in Notion and name it something like Academic Planner or School Dashboard. This will be your home base. On that page, add a full-page database to capture every assignment, exam, reading, and task. Rename the default table view to something clear, like assignments or course list, so you always know what you're looking at. Within that database, add key properties. Create a due date field so you can track deadlines, a course field to connect items to classes, a status field with options like to do, in progress, and done, and a priority field to highlight what needs attention first. If you're comfortable with Notion formulas, add one that calculates days left until the due date. It's a quick visual cue for what's urgent. Next, set up different views to make the same information work in multiple ways. A calendar view lets you see deadlines at a glance and prevents surprises. A list or table view sorted by due date gives you a clear, actionable to-do lineup. As you build, feel free to add simple filters, like showing only tasks that aren't marked done, so you can focus on what's next. Now, create a dedicated page for each course. Link your course pages to the master list so assignments and notes roll up cleanly. Each course page can serve as your central hub for that class. Store your syllabus, course objectives, grading breakdown, and professor contact info in a clearly labeled section. Add a space for lecture notes. This can be a simple bulleted list or a small notes database if you prefer structure. To keep things consistent, create a template inside each course page for recurring items like lecture notes, labs, or exam reviews. Enhance your dashboard with optional widgets such as a clock, local weather, or a Pomodoro timer to help you focus during study sessions. If you want to centralize more of your academic life, add separate pages for a job application tracker or an expense log. And when you're working on group projects, share relevant pages so everyone can contribute in one place. To get started faster, browse Notion's template gallery and use a free academic template as a foundation. Begin with the essentials, the dashboard, the master list, and the course pages, then customize as you go. Keep iterating until the system matches how you actually study and plan.